In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on 5G on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings, where we can easily find the option which is called cellular, or maybe in your case it is called mobile or mobile service. The name of this option depends on your region. So guys, first off we need to enter that option. Here, as you can see, I got two SIM cards here, and if you have several SIM cards, it could be physical SIM cards or eSIMs, it doesn't matter, then we can activate 5G separately for each SIM card. So now I'm gonna enter that one, and here we can easily find the option voice and data. Here it is set to LTE, which equals 4G, and then we can enter it. Here basically I don't have a 5G option because my mobile provider does not support it yet. However, if yours does, you will find 5G here in that list, and then you will be able to switch to it just like that. The same about another SIM card, you can enter it and then select 5G for another SIM card. However, if you got just one SIM card, you will find voice and data option right here at your mobile data settings. It will be called mobile data options, and it will be located right here just under cellular data, or how it may be called in your case, mobile data. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.